I've partnered with tomtoc to share all the details of this puffer crossbody travel bag, and I'm really tickled with this. It is so versatile, and I love the look of it. It's puffer, but it's not like thick puffy. I think puffer jackets, I think really thick, full of down and stuff like that. And it's got a little bit of puff, but not excessive. It's got a very wavy pattern here with the quilting part of it. And it kind of reminds me of sand dunes. I love the size of it. First of all, this is a 9-liter bag, and I'll give you the dimensions and show you all the pockets and measurements and all that stuff in just a moment. I do want to show you that it is a crossbody bag that you could wear this way, or you could put it in front or back. It has a really adjustable strap on it. It can go anywhere from 22 inches from here to here up to 42 inches. So that's a lot of variables there. So as far as the adjustability on it, and it's about 1.5 inches across here, and it's really a comfortable strap. I mean, super comfortable. I've had a lot of purses and crossbody bags that the straps are just kind of rigid and they don't feel great up against your shoulder when you have a lot of weight in the bag. So I do really love this strap. Let me show you the buckle. It's got a really nice buckle for it as far as being able to make the adjustment super easy to adjust like this. So that I love as well, and it has this little tab to help keep it so it's not opening up like this a lot. So I do love that as well. And then there's a buckle here onto the bag itself. For me, what's important on buying a bag that I'm going to be using to carry a device around with me, electronic device like an iPad or a laptop or something like that, is to make sure that the zippers are large enough for my laptop or my iPad to actually slide into the pocket. So I want to start here on the side pocket. Now, this is a great size pocket. This is something you could have this pocket up against your body and have a little more safety as far as people not being able to dip their hand into it or try to grab something that doesn't belong to them because it's up against your body. It's harder to get to. This has a really nice zipper on it. The zipper itself is 11.5 inches. I want to give you the zipper opening so that you know how big of a device or how big of anything that you might be putting in here. The zipper does not go all the way to the seam. So that's all the way to the seam, going seam to seam on this. It is 15.5 inches versus a 11.5 inch zipper. So that's a big difference there. So just wanted to make sure that you understood that. This pocket is 6.25 inch deep. Now, the bag itself from the zipper to the base is just about 9.5 inches deep. And going from seam to seam on the sides, it's about 15.5 inches. I do love the fact that the zipper is a really high quality zipper. All of tomtocs are. They use the YKK zippers and they pull really nice. And they always have a really nice pull itself on it. So this is not something like a piece of plastic that might break. So I do really like their zippers on it. Now looking at the side of this bag, I want to show you that it starts narrow and it gets thicker as you go to the bottom. Right at this level where the zipper and the side pocket is, this is 2.75 inches across. And down at the bottom, this is 4.75 at the bottom. So it's got a nice big base for you. Now, if I look at the inside here, it has a device pocket, and the device pocket has a kind of a microfiber type of a liner on it. There's no padding here, but that microfiber is really nice to help prevent scratches on whatever type of a device you might be putting in there. So I do really love that. The zipper on this device pocket here is 11.5 inches side to side. and that is a really good width here. It allows a 11-inch iPad, fits in there beautifully. That's what I have. And you can put up to a 13-inch laptop in there. So that's a pretty good size pocket. And so I do think that that's a really good thing to know. This is also 9 inches deep. It has the YKK zipper. I love that. And on the outside of that pocket are 2 mesh pockets. It's actually one big mesh pocket that has a seam down the middle of it here. Now these mesh pockets are 7 inches this direction by 6.5 inches deep. So those are really great size pockets as that well. Now let's look at the other side here. It has another big pocket, but this one is not lined. It's the same material that's right here, and it's such that you can wipe it clean super easy with just a damp cloth if something were to spill in it. It has a zipper that is 11.5 inches as well. This pocket is 6 inches deep, so it's just a little more shallow than the other side with the where the device pocket is. On the outside of that zippered pocket, there are 3 other pockets. This one here is 5.5 by 4. Then there's a middle pocket right here. You could put pencils or combs or lipstick or something like that in this one. And this one is 2 inches by 4 inches. And then the third pocket here has an elastic type of band to help hold something in place a little better. And this pocket is 5.5 by 4 inches as well. So there's all kinds of storage in this bag. It does have their logo right there. It just says tomtoc. It also has their tomtoc T here on the outside, just a little branding for it. I do want to let you know that this is made with renewable materials. The design, like I said, is very kind of an earthy type vibe. For me, it reminds me of sand dunes and it feels very natural. I really love that. It's a really light bag as well. And so I absolutely love that as well. It's the Terra T as in Tom Talk 34 is the model number. Mine is a 9-liter size, and it's also available in a 3.5-liter. This is one that I'm going to be using a lot, and I'm really tickled because it's been so long since I've had a bag that's this versatile, that looks good and feels good.